Hello viewers, welcome back to Apple Info YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to reduce device heating after installing the new iOS 18.3 version. One of the problems that users have after installing the new iOS version is overheating. However, there are simple things you can do to reduce your phone's overheating. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update. Check if the new iOS version may have arrived on the phone. This version will probably solve all of the iOS version problems. If it is there, install it. The next thing we can do is check to see if app refresh is turned off. For that, open up the settings. In Settings, tap on General. Scroll little bit down and tap on Background App Refresh. Again tap on Background App Refresh. If it's turned on, turn this off completely. Last but not least is to turn off location services. Navigate to Settings. Scroll down to find Privacy and Security. Tap on it. Next, tap on Location Services. You can turn off the location completely or leave it for all applications, only when it is used by the application or only for those that really need it. In this way, you can reduce overheating on your iPhone. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.